What's up, guys? James living in paradise coming at you here today. Guys, we're going to talk about the #1 artificial intelligence tool in the world, all over the internet. It's going crazy. Everybody's talking about it, called OpenAI and ChatGPT. What the hell is this? What does it mean? Now, I'm an older dude, right? I'm 54, but I keep up to date with all this stuff because I make investments with my money into the hottest, newest, trendiest stocks and investments and different things like real estate that are solid, where I can make a huge return on my money every day, every month, every year, so I don't have to ever work again, which is what I want to teach you. But let me explain to you what this artificial intelligence thing is, and then I'm going to show you how to make money with it. Okay, the first thing is this company called OpenAI, Open Artificial Intelligence. Now, if you guys have been living under a rock for the last 5 years, obviously you don't know what artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence is the #1 computerized robot coding, learning system. It's a robot. It's a computer robot in la world, somewhere up there in the internet, right? And what it does, it's starting to take over everything, guys. It's smarter than human beings. However, human beings created it, right? So let me give you an example. Go to this website, OpenAI, openai.com, which stands for Open Artificial Intelligence. There's going to be a little button up top, and it says ChatGPT. Check out ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is the search engine for OpenAI. It's kind of like Google, but it's about 1,000,000 times smarter. Let me explain. Here's the deal. Okay, ChatGPT, when you go there, chatgpt.com, go to OpenAI first and ChatGPT. And I want you to put in a question. Ask any question. So, for example, today I put in a question and I said, what's the quickest way to make $1,000,000 in 1 year? And here's what happened. They spit out a bunch of information and actually gave me a list of 15 different ways that you can make $1,000,000 in 1 year. It was incredible. I couldn't believe it. They're like, #1, you can make $1,000,000 with real estate. #2, you can make $1,000,000 selling products on the internet. #3, you can make $1,000,000 with affiliate marketing. #4, you can make $1,000,000 investing your money into stock market. #5, it just kept putting this whole list together of the top 15 ways that millionaires have made their millions in 1 year over the last 25, 30, 40, 50 years, right? So I can take that information, get my ideas, and then I can make money with it, or I can teach people how to make money with it. Does that kind of make sense? So this ChatGPT, guys, is changing the world, and artificial intelligence is not the future anymore. It's here now, guys. If you are not learning about artificial intelligence, I don't care if you're 18 years old or 88 years old, you're going to miss out on the biggest money-making opportunity on the planet, on the universe, guys, ever. Because artificial intelligence is smarter than human beings, and it keeps getting smarter and smarter. It learns by feeding it information. It takes all the information that human beings have given it over the last 10, 12, 15 years, and every time you give it more information, it learns. It's a self-generating, learning, educational robot system, and you can't beat it. You can't beat it because we created it, right? So some of the top companies in the world are investing millions and billions of their dollars into this artificial intelligence, and so should you. Let me show you how. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about, guys, is investing your money. If you got a little money, $1,000, $10,000, $1,000,000, doesn't matter. You want to look into what's called ETFs. Okay, write that down or Google it. ETF. ETF, okay, which stands for Exchange Traded Funds, okay? Now, exchange traded funds have been around for a long time. However, when it comes to artificial intelligence with this ChatGPT thing, okay, all the big companies, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, IBM, have all been dumping billions and billions of dollars into artificial intelligence technology to create the AI, artificial intelligence, okay? And the stocks are going to go through the roof over the next 2, 5, 10, 20 years, guys, okay? So the #1 investment, I wouldn't look at anything else right now except getting into my mentorship program, is take a look at putting some money a little slowly into ETFs. What's that? Exchange Traded Funds in the artificial intelligence technology area, period. Now, what is that? Okay, so an ETF, Exchange Traded Fund, Artificial Intelligence Technology Fund, is a fund of a bunch of stocks, a bunch of companies who are pumping money into artificial intelligence to change the world, to change the universe, all right? And they are going to get super, super, super rich and wealthy with the stocks because everybody's pumping money into this thing. The big banks, the hedge funds worth billions of dollars are slowly dumping money. They're investing their investors' money into the ETFs, the exchange traded funds. So if you go to Google, or you can even go to chatgpt.com, you can put in what is an exchange traded fund and what stocks can I invest my money in? And it's going to bring you a whole list of all the stocks. Microsoft, Google, Tesla, IBM. There's only a handful, guys. There's only about 15 to 20, 25, okay? But check this out. Listen, you're not going to believe this. This is going to blow your mind. Microsoft, under the guidance of Bill Gates and all the founders, just dumped, and guys, today is February 1st, 2023, I'm time slotting this, just the other day, January 25th, just dumped $10 billion with a B, did I say with a B? $10 billion with a B into their Microsoft Artificial Intelligence Exchange Traded Fund. So you might want to check that one out. That's what I would suggest putting my money in. So if you said, James, help me out. I want to make millions of dollars with these funds, these exchange traded funds with artificial intelligence. The first one I would look into putting money in, which I am, is the Microsoft Exchange Traded Fund Artificial Intelligence. That's the first one I would look at right there, guys. And I'm telling you, you're gonna miss the boat of the biggest money-making opportunity. Where in 5 years, probably 5, 7, maybe 10 years, you could sit back and never work for the rest of your life. That's why I live in paradise. My company is called Paradise Lifestyles. I don't work anymore. I don't need to work. I've got my money working for me in many different types of income streams. So I wake up in the morning and all I do is check my accounts. And then I make videos and I teach and I mentor people. That's what I do. That is my business. But as far as having to go get a job for the rest of my life, never. I don't ever have to get a job. Ever starting another business. I don't have to start another business. I've been running this business for the past 12 years, and I'm going to do this for the rest of my life, my mentoring business. So if you're interested, you can contact me right here or tap the link in my description at any time. Guys, get into my mentorship program where we teach men and women, blue-collar, normal people, working a 9 to 5, how to get out of that rat race, right? And start working for yourself. Start investing some of your money into the #1 investments in the world. And I'm telling you, this is one of the top ones, the Exchange Traded Fund Artificial Intelligence Stock Funds. Okay, so guys, listen, I'm going to keep making a lot of videos. I'm going to keep making videos every day about different things you can do so you can live a paradise lifestyle. That's what this is all about. That's my company. Tap the link in my description or go watch any of my videos. In every description of every video, long video or short, YouTube short, in the description, or go to my about page. Okay, on my about page, community, when you go to check out somebody's channel, go there and sign up, register for a live call with either me or one of my team members. I've got about 15, 16, 17 coaches that I work with them and they work with my clients like you, okay? And we get you involved in changing your lifestyle. The only way to change your lifestyle, guys, is #1, you need to change the way you think. If you're not making at least $1,000 a day, you need to think differently. We will teach you how to do that. #2, you need to start investing your money into stuff that is going up and that is going to make you money every day, every week, every month, every year, so you never have to work again for the rest of your life and you can do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. And #3, guys, you have to change your attitude and your habits. You got to take your old bad habits, get rid of them, and you have to add new, awesome, amazing habits in your life. And this is what this channel and my business is all about. So if you love that idea, listen up. If you want to change your lifestyle, literally in 1 second, 1 minute, 1 day, you can do that, but you can't do it by yourself. Did you hear me? You cannot do it all alone. Why do you think all the famous comedians and actors and sports people, athletics, right? NFL, football, basketball, soccer, they all have coaches, guys. Look at us, look when they go to the Super Bowl next weekend, right? What is it, February 12th, they got the Super Bowl. Look at both teams in the Super Bowl. They didn't get there just because of the players. They've got a head coach, they've got an assistant coach, they've got a defensive coach, an offensive coach, and a special teams coach. They've got 4 or 5 coaches, plus they got the manager and owner every game telling these players what to do. And they're in the Super Bowl. And you think you're going to make millions by yourself? You're out of your mind. You can't do it. You need help from others that have been there. So listen, contact me right here or tap the link in any description in any video on my channel. Get on a live call. Now, I travel the world. Right now, I'm in the Caribbean and Mexico. So I use WhatsApp, the #1 app in the world for talking for free, live, anywhere in the world. WhatsApp me. Send me a text message. Let's get on a live call, and I'll change your life, especially with ETFs, exchange-traded funds with artificial intelligence. Let's go, guys. Contact me now. Love to help you get rich and live a paradise lifestyle.